அடுத்தபடியாக we have a special award, the Wonder Woman 2K18 award that goes out to a co-pilot, the first co-pilot in the Indigo airline. 17 years later she decided to become a pilot and அவங்க அம்மா அவங்களுக்கு full support கொடுத்தாங்க. இந்த மேடையில மிஸ் ஐஸ்வர்யா அவங்கள பத்தி ஒரு அழகான ஏவி இதோ.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Aishwarya Velumani from Coimbatore, working as a co-pilot with one of the leading airlines in the country. To become a pilot was my childhood dream. It was my passion. I was inspired by the stories of first women pilot Ms. Amelia Earhart and first Indian women pilot Ms. Sarla Thakral. But it was not that easy to reach such great heights. At the age of 17, with conviction and courage, I stepped out of home to pursue my dream. I flew to Australia and US to complete my flying training. It was my mother's support and confidence that guided me through these countries, their environmental differences and various other difficulties at such young age. Through consistent focus, I successfully completed my training and I got through the tough selection process of the airlines. Post-selection at Spain, Madrid, I learned how to fly the big bird Airbus 320. Today I enjoy every bit of my job, cruising at 39,000 feet, flying from north to south, east to west. But only thing which I was focused on was flying and flying. As you all know, flying is an incredible adventure. Taking off an aircraft all by myself, flying from one place to another and landing it back safely gave me all the satisfaction that I needed. I also had to clear a lot of difficult exams in Australia, US, India, Spain, which needed a lot of hard work and attention, so I had no time for the stress. Even my mother was told that she was wasting money and time by sending me to such profession. Most of the people around us demotivated us and discouraged us, but nothing stopped my mother from supporting me and nothing stopped me from pursuing my dream. Together, we never gave up. I literally had to survive through the rough waves for almost 10 years. So here's a request to all the pretty ladies here. In whatever you do, remember, never give up. It is the self-belief and the self-confidence that will take you to reach great heights in life. I'm sure you all must have heard this. Success does not mean an absence of problems. It is overcoming problems. Success is not measured by how high we go up in life, but how many times we bounce back when we fall down. Remember, the deeper we fall down, the higher we bounce back. So this wouldn't have been possible without hard work, determination, conviction, courage and commitment. I take this opportunity to thank my mother and my sister for all the sacrifices they made. I dedicate my success to the bold and the beautiful women, my mother, Mrs. Bhagyavati. I thank my husband, my family members and my friends for honoring my unique passion for flight. I feel privileged and honored to be among these incredibly amazing Coimbatore Wonder Women. I would like to extend my gratitude to each and every one of you behind this nomination. My hearty congratulations to each and every one of you receiving an award this evening. Cowai Wonder Woman is doing a great job. Congratulations to Cowai Wonder Woman on such successful event. Awards are to encourage and motivate to shine better. Thanks to the entire team for such encouragement. To be inspired is great. To inspire is incredible. Let's keep inspiring each other. A very happy Women's Day to all the pretty ladies here. Jai Hind.
Congratulations Aishwarya. She receives the Cowai Wonder Woman 2K18 award. And இந்த விருதினை பெற்றுக்கொள்ள அவருடைய தாயார் இந்த மேடைக்கு வருமாறு அன்புடன் கேட்கிறோம். ஐஸ்வர்யாவின் தாயார் அவர்கள் இந்த மேடைக்கு வந்து ஐஸ்வர்யாவின் சார்பாக இந்த விருதை பெற்றுக்கொள்ளுமாறு அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். Congratulations to Aishwarya as she receives the Wonder Woman 2K18 award.
Velumani from Coimbatore, working as a co-pilot with one of the leading airlines in the
அம்மா ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் ஐஸ்வர்யாவின் சார்பாக எங்களுக்காக இந்த மேடையில.
Happy Women's Day. I am very proud of my daughter, Mrs. Aishwarya San. அதாவது பெண்கள் வந்து சாதிக்கவே பிறந்திருக்கிறார்கள், சாதிக்க வேண்டும். எந்த தொழிலை எடுத்தாலும் அவர்கள் விடாத முயற்சி செய்து அந்த தொழிலில் பெருமை பெற்று வர வேண்டும்படி என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த கோவை ஒண்டர் உமன்ஸ் இந்த பெருமையை எனக்கு அளித்ததற்கு மிகவும் நன்றி.
Thank you so much, ma. எங்களுடைய அன்பான வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஐஸ்வர்யாக்காக. Thank you very much. And thank you so much, Mrs. Deepa Mohan Raj, for joining us on the dais and doing the honors. Thank you very much. Thank you.